Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and a subscribe. So sorry if I sound a little bit weird because I am losing a tooth. It is super wiggly, and at lunch today I ate a carrot which made it even more wiggly. So now it's even more wiggly and it's super wiggly. So guess what we're trying to do in today's video. Oh wait, before I tell you what we're going to do in today's video, I want to tell you something. So you know in my face reveal video, I'm not going to be showing my face on every single video, especially not Roblox videos, because I don't have like a face cam or anything like that. So yeah, that's why if you were wondering why I'm not showing my face now that I can. So today, the point of the video is trying to give away my rideable unicorn for a rideable parrot because, as you guys know, I have birds in real life. Unless you are new, then you will not know. And that video only came out like yesterday pretty much because I got them yesterday. So let's go around trying to find someone that has a rideable parrot that really wants a unicorn. Because I was in a trade that someone accepted a rideable parrot for a rideable unicorn, but I denied it. And now I have birds, and now I want the parrot. Even though my birds aren't parrots, they're still birds. Oh, this person has a rideable bear. I do too. Maybe they'll have a rideable one. Who knows? So I'll just put in my unicorn. No, they don't. Well, I don't know if they do or not, but most likely they don't. So I'm sorry, but I'm actually going to wait till it says that and see if they accept it. Because if they accept it, I'm going to have to deny it. Sorry. I already have one of those. Okay. Let's keep looking for one. Come on, go faster. Alright, maybe we'll even take out the banana cart. Because it will be easier to go around faster. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we are still looking for more people. Alright, let's take the car and go somewhere else. Okay, let's go over this bridge and try to find someone over here. Hello, does anybody have a parrot? Maybe I can go in the place that the other person had a parrot. Someone's at the playground. Is that a parrot? Is that? Oh, it's just a little boy. It looks like a parrot a little bit. I'll give them both traits because who knows what they actually have. Just because of what they're holding out doesn't mean they don't have a parrot. Okay, let's give them a trade. Alright, they denied it too. Okay, let's look for someone else. I'm just going to give pretty much everyone I see a trade. Because who knows? They might have... Yeah, a parrot. Oh, someone gave me a trade. Let's see. Put in a unicorn. Let's see if they have a apparently they already have a unicorn. Well, I don't know if they have a unicorn. Who knows? Alright. Let's keep looking. Wait, there's someone on the car. Yay, they accepted it. Oops. Oh, a lion. Cool. Sorry, I don't want a lion. I'm not really trying to get one of the new pets. Unless it's... Well, actually, the parrot is one of the new pets, so technically I am trying to get one of the new pets. I'm going to try throwing a party because I feel like that would work. I can get a lot of people in one place. Guys. Parrot! Parrot, 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 parrot. Alright, let's give him a trade. Okay, they said the name is, yeah. Okay, guys, so I just asked him if he wants it. Let's see what he says. Gonna give him a trade. Oh my god, that's a rideable neon dragon. That is so cool. Okay, let's put in the unicorn. Will you put in the parrot? Oh, guys, his parrot isn't rideable. Okay, never mind. I'm looking for rideable ones. I want that dragon. I would do this for his dragon. Alright, we have to find someone else with a parrot. Actually, maybe he wants a griffin for his parrot. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, so we are going to try the party because he does have one, but I'm looking for a rideable one. Alright, so let's do a party, I guess. Gonna do a party. Unless on the way we see a rideable parrot. I'm going to trade someone that I see has a parrot that they're riding. Oh, someone gave me a trade. I don't want a vehicle. Rideable unicorn alert. Maybe she will have one. Oh, wait. If she already has a rideable unicorn, she won't want another one. Let's see. Oh, over here. No, I want to do a party. We have to go back outside. Great. Oh, someone just went in my house. Okay, throw a party. Time to do a party. Okay, guys, so I am doing trades with people. This person just has a lot of cars. Let's see. Sorry, no. Everyone's giving me trades, but they're not putting in what I asked for. I already have a rideable one. Oh my god, everyone's giving me trades, but no one's putting in what I want. A neon rideable dog is okay, but that's not what I wanted. Okay, let's view this party. My birthday, come to my party, is at the last floor. Pay 300 to come, please. Let's see what they put in. Just this. And this. And this. Okay, sorry. That's not what I want either. No one is putting in what I want. I feel like none of these people have what I want either. What if I put in a griffin too? Come on, no one gets the point. I want something they're not even putting in. Oh my god. I'll give you my neon cat, but yeah. Okay, let's see if anybody has a parrot. Okay, let's see. Selling pet and donut. I don't think any of these people understand that I only want a rideable parrot. Okay guys, I guess I am not getting a rideable parrot in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will make a video after this if I do end up getting the parrot. Thanks for watching. Bye!